So since a few weeks ago, YouTube has actually been rolling out this YouTube Stories feature, just like the same concept as Instagram, but then on YouTube, where you can obviously post stories directly onto your YouTube channel. Now, this feature was given to a lot more channels than just like the really big ones with like millions of subscribers, just to test it out. Probably the experiment went that great that they just decided to roll it out to more and more creators. So I got this feature as well, and I thought to myself, I will get a lot of questions about this, on the stories I post on my YouTube page on my phone. So I said I'd rather make a video about it than just answering like 1,000 comments about how to get this feature, how to use it. So what I've read online is that this feature should be available for people with at least 1,000 subscribers. So if you have 1,000 subscribers and you don't have this feature yet, you just have to wait because they're still rolling it out. It was in beta version first, so just rolling it out. I'm not really sure if you need to be a YouTube partner for this. I cannot say anything. I don't know that information, so I'm not going to give any misleading information because maybe you have to be a partner, maybe you don't have to be a partner. So how this essentially works is when you open up YouTube, you want to go to your subscriptions box to see all the stories that your YouTubers that you're subscribed on have posted. If you want to post it yourself, if you have this feature, at the top you see this camera icon that you want to tap if you want to, for example, post a community post, publish a video from your phone. If you tap that, you now see this added button which says story. If you open this up, this is just the same concept as Instagram. You will be able to, film yourself. You can turn the camera, your front-facing camera or the back camera. You can film yourself, do anything, and then obviously you can just, spice it up a little by adding some emojis, adding text. For example, new video, check it out on the channel. You can add in like these stickers, for example, your location or new or anything like that. You can just customize it how you want it, and then if you want to go ahead and publish it, at the bottom right corner you have post, and if you tap that, it will be posted straight onto your YouTube page. But I want to mention that only people on mobile will see this. This will not be visible for the people that are checking their subscription boxes on their desktop. This is only available on phone and tablet. So if you want to go ahead and check out, see how many people that have seen your story, what you want to do is you just want to basically tap on your own story, and then at the bottom left corner you will see like a little eye icon with a number next to it. So that is how you can check how many people that have seen your story. It is a really cool feature, for example, to send out an extra notification if the sub boxes, for example, are broke. Again, like, guys, there's a new video up, the notifications are not working, make sure to check it out on the channel or just update your viewers in general. Really cool feature, just the same as Instagram, but I'm really liking this feature. I'm going to use it way more often. So guys, this is how to enable and use it. Just wait until you have 1,000 subscribers, or if you have already 1,000, just wait until the feature is given to you. You will receive a notification in your dashboard and as well email box saying that you will have this feature very soon. So guys, that's it. Thank you so much for the continued support. I'll catch you guys in a brand new video next week, obviously. So I'll see you guys in my next video.